Hey, what's up, guys? I'm laughing because I just already got my rep in. I went on for about 5 minutes talking to you about today's stuff, and then a buddy of mine called and wanted to catch up. So back to the drawing board here. Hey, today's big challenge. This is going to be the biggest one that we do, I'm pretty sure, and it's also going to just bring the most benefit to you. So today's challenge is getting rid of the big bad three. So big bad three is bad oils, industrialized or vegetable-based oils that are heated to such a crazy temperature that it produces free radicals, and basically it's like you're drinking or ingesting radiation. So don't poison yourself with canola oil or vegetable oil. Second one is grains. We're gonna get rid of grains today. So I know some of you guys are like, man, I can't live without pasta. It's like, no, you can do this. And you know what? This is about actually just grabbing some different things that, I'm not gonna get you on carb depletion, but we are going to start lowering the measures so that you get into fat burning mode. A lot of what the Whole30 diet, paleo, and keto really hail as being super beneficial is the elimination of grains and sugar. So, which brings us to our third one, sugars. So I'm not against sugar. I'm against added sugar, and hey, let's turn all the lights on here. I love IPAs. They're one of my favorite things in the world. I love Russian Imperial Stouts. You know, I like beer. I like hot dogs and cupcakes and donuts and, man, pizza and burger buns, like brioche buns. I love that stuff, and I like jelly and syrup. I like putting peanut butter on my pancakes and just drizzling tons of maple syrup on there. And so it's not like, I'm not such a purist. I will have my moments of celebration, but to use it as a default, like, hey, this is what I do, and for you to be thinking to yourself right now, like, you know what, Jordan? Like, who are you? Like, you don't understand what I need. Now, I know exactly what you need because I've been trained for this, and I eat information for breakfast. So these are the substitutes I want you guys to focus on: extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, MCT oil, and coconut oil, and then also ghee or grass-fed butter. This is the stuff that is water soluble. So these things actually just go right through your system. It produces the right amount of energy, and you can start producing ketones way easier if you have these kinds of fats in your diet. The reason industrialized oils and fats are so bad is all of the free radicals that end up coming into your system can actually damage not only your arterial walls and your blood vessels and make them super rigid and not as flexible, but you actually damage your fat cells to be unresponsive to burning. So when your body should be kicking into fat burning modes during workouts or extended times of fasting or heightened activity, the reason we have a hard time melting some of this fat away where other people might just seem genetically gifted is because we've made a habit of taking poisonous stuff, radioactive stuff, and ingesting it, therefore damaging. And we want to have a quick fix in 30 days. We want to hey, you know what? I did this for 10 days. I should see some results. It's like, well, if you did something for 40 years, give that equation a little bit of grace. So for the next 21 days, or for the next 20 days, I guess, I want you to throw this poop in the garbage. Don't dump oils down the drain. You will absolutely wreak havoc on your plumbing. But get rid of this stuff, or you box it up and put it in the garage, or put it way back in the basement somewhere for the next foreseeable future. I'm not asking you to throw your money away. We're pretty much throwing our own money away when we buy this stuff, because this absolutely has no value except for the short 15 seconds of pleasure when we eat that cake. I will be eating cake for my little girl's birthday, so she wanted a chocolate cake with strawberries. So I will make that for her, but that's to be times of celebration. The beers, the waffles, the ice cream, the popcorn, and you know, like that stuff, like when you go to the movie theater and you go get some popcorn, that's like straight up canola oil. That's that's still straight up poison for you. So this is going to be a fun time, and I promise you, as you keep tapering these things out of your system and out of your lifestyle, you will feel so much better. So that is my biggest takeaway for, like, if you can nail this practice, I guarantee you 3 weeks from now you're gonna feel like a completely different person. Actually, maybe 4 or 5 days from now, you might start feeling, man, I feel more energy. Instead of all that bread, man, I started getting down on some greens. I started roasting, Brussels sprouts with a balsamic reduction and bacon bits. Oh, damn, that just sounds so good. So, hey, I'm gonna give some different recommendations so that you guys don't think like, what am I supposed to eat? Like, I'll give you guys plenty of stuff. Also, you can check out this 7-day sample meal plan, and those have some really great recommendations with some pretty good recipes. And me and my little kids, we're going to be making some stuff for you and showing you how simple some of this stuff can be. All right, so peace, God bless. I love you guys. Throw this poop in the garbage, all right? And start feeling better about yourself. See ya.